Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up NFC payments on HUAWEI Watch Fit 5. So first go to your HUAWEI Health on your phone, then click Devices, AppGallery, and install CurvePay. We need to wait for it to install. So now we have it installed, and right here on your watch, open the app drawer, find the Curve, open. Now you need to open CurvePay on your phone and set up your payment card. Okay, here scan this code, open, install the CurvePay on your phone, then click open, then sign up for free. Okay, now I've created an account and I need to set the About You. So we have the first name, the last name, date of birth. Okay. And continue. Then you set your home address. Then select the employment type. And now just get verified. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.